Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to get free rewards in Marvel Contest of Champions using promo codes. If you're a fan of the game, you know how valuable these codes can be. Marvel Contest of Champions is a popular game where you assemble teams of superheroes to battle intense matchups. Promo codes can give you an edge by providing free in-game items like crystals and exclusive characters. However, finding active codes can be challenging as now there are no active codes available, but I'll guide you on how to redeem them when they become available. To redeem codes, you need to visit the Marble Contest of Champions Summoners Market page. Log in with your Kabam account and enter the code in the promo code section. Make sure to check back regularly for new codes, as they often expire quickly. If you're looking for tips and tricks on Marvel Contest of Champions or other tech-related content, be sure subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. And if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.